TikTok, your account was permanently banned due to multiple violations of our community guidelines. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and that message from TikTok means your account has been permanently banned because they believe you have repeatedly violated their community guidelines. This could be for reasons like violating copyright or intellectual property rules, getting multiple reports from users, or engaging in a spammy or manipulative behavior. So here's what you can do next. First, you need to simply go through them or go through the TikTok community guidelines and understand what may have caused the ban. Then you can appeal the ban. Open TikTok, navigate to profile icon at bottom right, go to the three-bar menu icon and select setting and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on report a problem. Scroll down, tap on chat with us. Now here you can easily explain your case clearly and respectfully, and then you can check email because TikTok might have sent you a detailed explanations or instructions. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.